Hello everyone, my name is Salim Shabic and welcome to a new tutorial on Moodle LMS. In this tutorial I will show you how to add a file resource into a course in Moodle LMS. First, we need to log into our Moodle LMS site. Then we need to find the course in which we want to upload the content. Then click on Turn Editing On in the course and find the section in which you want to add the file. Then click Add a File or Resource. You can click on the tab Resources and find the file resource icon. Click on the icon to add a new file, and then you can configure the settings for this file. First, we need a name for this file. A file can be a different content type. It can be a video, it can be a PDF, PowerPoint, it can be a Word file. It can basically be anything that you want to upload. Now we need to just name our file. One example or example 1. Then you can add a description, but doesn't have to. It's an optional field, and then you can also select to display the description on the course page. I would not recommend that, because if you have for example, description for each file or each resource, and then you select to display the description on the course page, your site can be kind of cluttered and crowded with maybe also unnecessary information or no critical information. So now the next thing is to find the content that you want to upload located on your PC, and you can either click on this area and then you will be able to upload the file manually, or you can use a file from a content bank that you previously uploaded, or you can even use one of the repositories that you pre-installed, for example Google, OneDrive, or things like that. The easiest way is just to locate the file and drag and drop to this area, and there we go. You can configure the appearance for this file to be, for example, to act as an embedded file, to force download, to open in a pop-up, and I will leave it in our case just as an automatic. You can also configure it to show size, show type of the document, and also to show the upload or modified date for this file. You can also control the visibility or availability for this resource, and you can, for example, hide this file from the students, or you can show it on the course page. In our case, we will show it. You can restrict access to this file. For example, if you have a set of prerequisite, or that each lecture or each file or each resource or activity or content has a prerequisite, you can control, for example, that a student must complete a, for example, previous resource, or that the student needs to have a certain grade for the course. And completion tracking, you can, for example, configure it to not indicate activity completion, that the students can manually mark the activity completed, or that the activity is marked as completed when conditions are met. I usually select this one, and for example, since this is just a simple file, In our case, a student must view this activity to complete it, which is really a simple requirement. If we click, for example, that the students can manually mark the activity is completed, they can just go and click on the checkbox without actually accessing this activity. So I will select that the activity needs to be marked as completed when the conditions are met, and in this case that the students need to view it. And also you can configure it, for example, that the you can configure a deadline, so the students have, for example, time until February 9th to complete this activity. And then you can, for example, save and return to course, or save and display. In this case, for example, if you change the if you click on this checkbox, then a content change notification will be sent out to the course participants. For example, students will be notified that a new resource or new files has been added, or if you change something in the file configuration name and deadline, or you change the file itself, then the students will be notified that there was a change within the course. So we can just click and save and return to course, and now we see our file that's been uploaded. If you click on turn editing off, you can click here and the file will be opened in our browser window. So it's also now marked as done since we already opened it. To edit it, you can also again click on, you need to click on turn editing on, and then in these three dots click on edit settings. You can also move this file, for example, you can hide it, you can duplicate it, and you can even assign roles or even delete it. So if you want to move this file to a different section, you can select the section in which you want to move it, and it will be automatically put there. If you can even, you see this 4 arrows instead of the cursor, you can click the left mouse click and you can drag and drop this activity to another section. And to change it, you can click on edit settings, and then you can, for example, change that you this time show type, show size, and that we can also see the upload or modify date. And we will save these changes and return to course. And now we see that we have a little notification here that this file is a 33.1 kilobytes PDF document uploaded on January 28th, 2023 and 16 or 4 p.m. 57 minutes. So let's try to upload another document, another file, and this time we will upload a short video. We will use the same method of upload. We will just drag and drop the file into this box, and the appearance we will use automatic, show size, show type, and show upload and modify date for the selection. And yeah, we will leave all of these settings default, and on the restrict access part, now I will add that the previous activity, for example, file upload, must be marked completed before the students can view our video. And this was enabled because we marked this part, that activity is shown as completed when the conditions are met, and for our previous file the conditions was that the students must view it. So we did it, and now let's we can leave everything as it is and click save and return to course. And now we can turn everything off. So we have a notification that that this activity, that our video is not available if the file, example1 file upload, isn't marked completed. So when this one is marked completed, we can see this one. So this is a really nice way to manage the course or learning path within the Moodle course. So in this case, since our activity is marked as done or completed, we can access our short video, which is already, we know that it is a video because if we have here a little bit of info, it's an MP4 file uploaded on January 28th and 5 p.m. 3 minutes. And when we click there, it should open. Yeah, it is opening in a new window, and this is our video file that we uploaded into a Moodle LMS course. So that's it. I already mentioned in one of our previous videos that in the breadcrumbs a course short name will be course short name will be used as a navigation link in the breadcrumbs. So here it is. This is our short name for our course, and if we click here, we will be transferred directly to a course page. Now let's try with a Word document. We again need to click on Turn Editing On. We need to click on Add an Activity or Resource. We will select File, and on the next page we will add the details. Example, Word document. We will leave everything as it is, and just drag and drop the document here. We will leave everything automatic for the appearance section. I will also mark that we see the size, the type, and the update or modify date for this file, and it's shown on the course page. And also I will restrict access for this one based on the activity completion of our previous two files. So the students need to finish both of our previous files before they can open or access this file. And I will also manage the activity completion so that the students need to view this activity to complete it. I mean, to view this file to complete it. And I will click on Save and Return to Course. And now I'll turn editing off. And for our third file, I see the notification that it's not available unless we complete both of our previous files. So let's see how a Word documents look in Moodle LMS course. So as you can see, we cannot view Word documents in Moodle LMS because the encryption is not available in Moodle, but the Word files are automatically downloaded when we click on the Word document in Moodle LMS course. So those are the three examples on how to add files in a Moodle LMS course. Thank you for watching, and see you in next videos. Bye.